Since its discovery, scientists have been able to make antiatoms, including antimatter hydrogen and helium. Antimatter is science fact, not fiction. So what are some of the properties of antimatter? You might be surprised that antimatter is governed by the same rules as ordinary matter. There's nothing all that unusual about it. You can make an antimatter world, an antimatter universe, even an antimatter me. Well, look, there's anti-me now. Hello, anti-me. Hello, me. So how the heck... Wait, that might not be a good idea. What's the problem? Well, remember what happens when you combine matter and antimatter? Oh, yeah. I see what you mean. So tell them about it. One interesting thing about antimatter is what happens when it combines with matter. That's when things get exciting. You've probably heard Einstein's famous equation E equals mc squared. If you've cared to dig in what it means, you've heard that it means that energy is equivalent to matter and vice versa. And that's true. However, that statement is incomplete. When we convert energy into a particle of matter, we must at the same time create an identical number of particles of antimatter. It's always the same. So what Einstein's equation means is that you can convert energy to matter and antimatter, and you can combine matter and antimatter to make energy. Now let's take another look at Einstein's equation. E stands for energy, m stands for mass, but the c squared term is just a number, actually a very big number. In the usual metric system, it is a 9 followed by 16 zeros. This means a little mass is a lot of energy. We can work out just how much. Suppose we had an antimatter paperclip and touched it to a matter paperclip. Can you help me out, Auntie-me? Sure. We'll take these matter and antimatter paperclips and touch them together. The energy that would be released when these two things are combined is enormous, about 20 times as much energy as it takes to lift the space shuttle into orbit. That sounds dangerous. I think I'll get out of here. Bye. Good idea. I'll see you later. It's a natural question to ask if antimatter is dangerous.